on SB10. Let's take a look at number 4. Nicole is making 1,000 bows for people who donate to the library book sale. She needs a piece of ribbon that is 75 hundredths a meter long for each bow. So she's got to make 1,000. And this is how much she needs for one bow. How many meters of ribbon does Nicole need to make the bows? So she's got to make 1,000. Explain how to find the answer. If it takes me this much to make one bow, but I need 1,000, I would take this number and multiply it by 1,000. And I would not actually multiply, I would just move my decimal over, because when I'm multiplying with zeros, this is like a power of 10, right? 10 to the third power, or 1, 2, 3 zeros. I would make 3 moves. So I take my decimal and move it 1, 2, 3 places over. So I would get 750 meters. Take a look here at number 5. Rita is hiking along a trail that is 13.7 miles long. Here's her trail. So far, she has hiked along 1/10 of the trail. So I'm going to cut this up into 10. I know that if it's asking me for 10, I just need to make 9 lines. One less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and she has hiked 1/10 of the trail, so she's right here. She's right here. How far has Rita hiked? The whole thing is this long. I'm going to have to divide it into, well, tens, right? I'm dividing it into tens because it says 1/10 long. That's the same as saying 13 7/10 times 1/10. Okay, would be the same thing. But with this division, I know that division means I should probably get a smaller number. So I'm going to take my decimal and move it 1 space, because I have 1 0 over. So it would be 1.37 miles so far she's hiked. All right, let's take a look at number 6. Use the numbers on the tiles to write the value of each expression. You can use a tile more than once or not at all. Okay, I have a division, which means my number should probably be smaller, okay, and a 10 to the 0 power. If I have something to the 0 power, I think nothing changes. So this is just 35.5. This is just a 10, and I see 1 0 here, so I would move my decimal over 1 space to the left because it's divide, and I would get 3.55. And then I see an exponent of 2, so I would move my decimal over twice, 1, 2, and I should get 355 thousandths. All right, let's move on to number 7. Select other ways to express 10 to the 4th power. Mark all that apply. 10, and this tells me how many zeros there are supposed to be. So 1, 2, 3, 4 should look like that. I put my comma there. Could also look like, how many times would I write 10? I'm going to write it 4 times. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, because that would equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that would equal the same thing. I think that's all I can think of. So let's come over here and see what we got. 10 times 4 is 40. No way. That's not right. 10 plus 4 is 14. No way. Not right. I did say that it should be about 10,000, or it should be 10,000. So it's 10,000, but not 1,000. And if I added these up again, I would get 40, so that's out. And if I multiplied these, I would get 10,000 because I got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So F is right. And that is SB10.